So if as a creator you've never experienced a creator's block, then I must give it to you because what? Here's the sweetest part. It happens to the best. It happens to people who have made it like they made it so top, like they're at the top of the ladder already. So what about you that is just starting? So come off it. It could be caused by a lot of factors. It could be stress, it could be burnout, it could be just you just trying to, put yourself under unnecessary pressure of meeting deadlines. It could be just you actually getting hard on yourself from comments or from people's opinions about you and your content or the things you actually put out there. So it could span from any of these things. And sometimes this thing can just happen without any reason. It could just happen like that. So anyhow, anywho, regardless of how it happened or what's the cause of it, just know that it is something that happens once in a while in every creator's life. It can actually be overcome, right? You can actually overcome creator's block. For me, right, I've faced that severally. There are times where I don't even feel like putting up my face out here in the there are times where I am just like stuck. I don't even know what to do and I don't want to do anything. I just want to I just want to be there, especially when you've planned out a lot of things and they're not happening the way you want it to. You're just stuck. So I must say that you can actually overcome it by just taking a break. Taking a break doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to start all over again. Even if it means you starting all over again, you have to. You just have to. So sometimes taking a break and giving yourself rest can actually help you do that. I did not say stop, I just said rest. There's a difference between resting and stopping. You can rest and pick up, but don't stop. Don't let it kill you. Don't let it stop you. Don't let it kill you because the moment you let your blocks, time, that's your creator's block time kill you, then you're gone. And we're not going to be saying this. So the truth is, it will come, but you just have to overcome it. Taking a break is one of those things you can do. Changing ideas is one of those things you can do. Experimenting new ideas is also something you can actually do. Nobody says that you have to do one thing for the rest of your life. You can actually change, you can actually experiment new ideas, you can actually experiment new niches. That is also going to help. Or you could just create without judging yourself because a lot of us are judges of our own selves. You could create without judging yourself, without bullying yourself, or without, being so hard on yourself. After all, it is you, yourself. So why not just, do something without actually being hard on yourself or without judging yourself? Maybe, just maybe, you could get it right. So let me know in the comment section if you've been experiencing creator's block or you don't even know what I'm saying or I'm just here talking to myself. Or maybe you have and you have overcome it. Let us know how it went in the comment section. Ciao.